It is time to bond the C-Claw. It is assumed that the following items have been checked. Environmental conditions are appropriate. The surface has been roughened or refreshed less than 4 hours ago. The surface has been cleaned with solvent right before. The C-Hawk is switched on and is ready to bond. Make sure you are wearing appropriate PPEs for this stage. A half-mask respirator with A1 type cartridges for vapors and gas, safety goggles, long-sleeve jacket, and powder-free nitrile gloves. Report the C-Claw serial number on the checklist. Unpack the C-Claw. Do not touch or pollute the bonding surface. Inspect if the seal is in place and if the C-Claw underside is clean. Screw the friction adapter to the rod. Insert the C-Claw inside the C-Hawk. You can now prepare the adhesive. If the adhesive dispenser is not mounted yet, insert the rack inside the dispenser. Make sure the adhesive is not expired and report the QC number on the checklist. Mount the cartridge in the dispenser. Remove the cap from the cartridge and discard a small amount to check if both parts are flowing correctly. Do not use a cartridge that is not flowing properly or releasing an adhesive with an unusual consistency. Mount the mixing nozzle and discard 1 dispenser pressure to purge the nozzle. Dispense 2 full gun pressures of adhesive on the C-Claw. Keep pressing the trigger for 5 seconds and until it reaches its intended stopping point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You now have no more than 1 minute to perform these few. The C-Hawk bell on the bonding area. Do your best to precisely center the bell with the outer circle of the marking. Press 2 times on the Start-Stop button of the control box and push slightly on the bell. Check that the pressure and the relative humidity are getting below the threshold value for bonding. When these conditions are met, you will see the piston being lowered and held down for approximately 22 minutes.